We are dreamers. We are innovators. Innovation is the creation of the new or the re-engine of the old in a new way. Mars, 4.5 billion years ago. Mars had such high rotation and energy because of the creation of the solar system that the surface temperature of Mars was thousands of degrees Celsius. Mars, 3.8 billion years ago. Life began on Mars. Meanwhile, also on Earth. Mars' molten core cooled down and it began to lose most of its atmosphere and water. Remaining water condensed to form ice. 2.1 billion to 400,000 years ago. Mars became dead and cold planet. Life ended.
Today, Mars seems to be a completely dead planet. There may be some life forms under the surface, but we are not sure. Atmosphere is 0.6% of Earth.
100 years later, humanities have already landed on the planet and released genetically engineered bacteria that can survive and thrive in the Martian environment and can consume CO2 from the atmosphere to grow and generate oxygen. In 10,000 years, competition between plants and has created heretically the bigger plants get closer to the water sources, where the smaller ones who have survived the better without water are located farther away from the sources. Mars, 100,000 years later. This will be a natural process. The only human involvement in this will be to kickstart the process with adequate bacteria species that can live on Mars. And we already have three candidates. The key goals of our projects are: number 1, to avoid the fact that Mars is suitable for life forms to survive, to sustain, and to evolve. Number 2, to show what steps should be taken to terraform Mars for living beings. Number 3, to ensure the proper usage of robots sent there. Number 4, to show the process of living on Mars.
Facts about Mars.
Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and is the second smallest planet in the solar system. Named after the Roman god of war, Mars is also often described as the red planet due to its reddish appearance. Mars is a terrestrial planet with a thin atmosphere composed primarily of carbon dioxide. Mars and Earth have approximately the same landmass. Even though Mars has only 15% of the Earth's volume and just over 10% of the Earth's mass, around 2/3 of the Earth's surface is covered in water. Martian surface gravity is only 37% of the Earth's, meaning you could leap nearly 3 times higher on Mars. Mars is home to the tallest mountain in the solar system. Olympus Mons, a shield volcano, is 21 kilometers high and 600 kilometers in diameter.
It's really all about letting our planetary scientists be the pioneers, be the group that scouts the future and looks at resources that we can use on the planet. What are the things they need to know to be able to safely land, live, and return from Mars? The scientific knowledge, the technologies that we need that can make human exploration of Mars happen are within our grasp. In our lifetime, we actually can see humans land and work on Mars. A major step in this direction of planning has been the definition of what we call human exploration zones. This is a region we will land, we will live, we will use resources in many different ways, and we want to go to a variety of scientifically exciting locations.
Using robots for Mars mission.